Question: if fx is equal to x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 for all x belongs to set of real numbers, then find the minimum value of fx. Now solution. First write the expression, that means fx is equal to see. Now rearrange the right hand side. See, x square plus 1 minus 2. Plus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So actually nothing has been written extra. X square minus 1, if we simplify this, we will get. So now we will break up into two parts. This is first part, second part. X square plus 1 by x square plus 1, it will be 1 minus 2 x square plus 1. Now see, whatever be the value of x, x square must be positive. Alright. And if x increases, this whole value will be decreases because denominator is increasing. And see, x increasing or decreasing, that means x square is always greater than 0, implies that x square plus 1 greater than 0. So whatever be the value of be the x square plus 1 greater than is equal to 1. So maximum value of this expression, the value of 2 by plus 1 is equal to 2. When this will reach to its maximum value, then whole expression will reach to its minimum value. Therefore, the minimum value of fx is equal to 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the answer is, that is the minimum value of fx is the minus 1. If you have learned something from this class, you should subscribe this channel. Thank you.